Hi everyone, this is the update video about my peace lily variation. Um, and so here I have four peace lily um, species. I just got a new one. Actually, it's from a month ago. This is the variegated peace lily or the Domino peace lily. As you can see, I got this around a month ago. So this is a pretty rare kind of peace lily. As you can clearly see the difference. There's some white spot or white stripes on the leaves itself. It's kind of striped it, and I would say this is the most distinctive peace lily. I mean, because this is the easiest or the easiest way to spot the difference from the regular ones. Of course, those are four different kinds, but as you can see, is way more difficult to distinguish the other kinds from the regular one. So this one is the regular peace lily, or at least the most common one you will find in a store. So this is the regular leaf with the distinctive white flowers. So here you can see it more clearly. This is in a pot. This is the one that you will see most often. And this is a slightly different one. I believe this is the Sensation, which has the biggest leaf of all the peace lily. As you can see, these two is about the same size in terms of the whole plant, but the leaf on this one is much bigger than the one over here. So this one has a large, flat, and fat leaf. Is very wide compared to this one. This one has a narrow, pointy leaf. This is a wide leaf, as you can see. So this is the Sensation. This is the regular one, and then the third one I have is the Platinum Mist. This Peace Lily Platinum Mist. This is another rare one. So this is the most common one. This is probably the second common. And this is the maybe the third common or the second rarest. I don't know. These two are kind of both rare to find, hard to find. So this is the Platinum Mist that I actually covered in one of my previous video. As you can see, the leaves are slightly different from these two. These two is hard to distinguish besides the leaf shape and size, but the color is almost exactly the same. This one, the color and the pattern is different, so it's more unique. Actually, I like this one a lot. I don't know which one I like more, but this one, yeah, it's a lighter color, especially for the new leaves. There's not much new leaves on this one, but the new one is kind of like bright or neon green, which is super cool. And you can see the stripes, some white stripes on the leaf itself. Um, is this one, the texture is kind of soft and slippery, something like that. You know, this is more rough, but it's more like plasticky. I don't know. It's hard to use the correct word unless you could feel it in person. But yeah, this one definitely has a different color and different texture, which I like it a lot. This one is actually in water culture. This one is in a pot. This one is also in a pot. And of course, this is my newest addition. Also some white flowers. The flower, you cannot even tell the difference just from the flower. It's very hard to tell. But yeah, this one, again, the texture is different from all the rest. This just has the roughest texture, but again, I like the white spot. Uh, it could be hard to see from the camera, but yeah, it's kind of texturized. And but yeah, it has. I like the unique coloring, right spot, right stripes on the leaves itself. So far I have four different kinds of peace lily. These two are hard to find, but I'm happy with my collection right now. I don't think I would find even more varieties so far, at least in my local stores. So here we go. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.